Degree Bogus Chití and Tionlacan Hi Kitty's Rambles. Hello and welcome to the accompaniment for Kitty's Rambles. And we're going to start off with getting a sense of the melody and also how we're going to divide the beats. So, Jake, so we're going to count it in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What we're going to do is where the chords change. So in the first bar, they change on 1, 4, and 6. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so try that. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In the next bar, it changes on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you got that? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. In the next bar, it's going to be on 1 and 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next bar, identical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how about you try those 4 bars? And we're going to go in the first bar, 1, 4, and 6. In the next, 1 and 4. In the next, 1 and 4. And in the next, 1 and 4. Okay? Hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The good news is it's practically identical. The next bar is 1, 4, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the last bar, the chord comes in on just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's try bars 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's going to come in on 1, 4, and 6. 1 and 4, 1 and 4, and then 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well done. Mahu. The next is what are those chords? Okay, so we only use 3, D, C, 4, D, C, A, and G. Okay, so to help you get a sense of the movement, I'm going to go down here for D. I'm going to go here for D. I'm going to go here for C. And I'm going to go here for A and here for G. Okay, and the first 3 chords are D, E, C, A. Okay, then you're going to go G, E, A. Then you're going to go D, E, A. Then you're going to go D, E, C, E. Okay, so it's D, C, A, then G, A, then D, A, then D, C. Okay, so we'll try that. Hand up. D, E, C, A, G. Excuse me. D, E, C, A, G, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, C, E. Great news, it's pretty much the same again. D, E, C, A, G, E, A, D, E, A, wait, D. Okay, so now you've just learned the next 4 bars after that because it's practically identical. So, now let's start with the harp. Ready, go. D, C, A, G, A. Fáilte go cuid B. Now we're on cuid B of Chití Rambles and we're going to get a sense of the tune and how the beats lie. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, now the chords come in pretty easy places actually here, right? What happens is, in the first bar it just comes in the 1. In the second bar it comes in on the 4. In the third bar it comes in on the 1 again, and the fourth bar it comes in the 4 again. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't that totally doable? Oh yeah. Okay. Next bar, it's going to come in on the 1 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next bar, it's going to come in on the 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the final bar is identical to the final 2 bars, bar 7 and 8, are identical to bar 7 and 8 in the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so bar 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how about we try all of that? So remember 1, 4, 1, 4, and then 1, 4, 4, and then the end. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ítach. Now, great news, there's only 4 chords here. We've got D, C, E minor, and A, right? So I'm gonna go D here, I'm gonna go C step low, I'm gonna go E step above, I'm gonna do A down here. Okay, right? So the first chord is D. D ba da dum ba da dum ba da, and then you repeat the D. D. So it's 2 Ds and then you have 2 Cs. C da da dum ba da dum ba da 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you're gonna go D 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, D 4, 5, 6, if you know what I mean. And then C 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, C 5, 6. Then you just go D 2, 3, E 5, 6. And then you go 1, 2, 3, C 5, 6. So you go D, E, then C, and then you're gonna go just like before, D, A, D for the last 2 bars. Okay, so D, D, C, C, D, E, C, D, A, D. Okay, so try that with me. 1, 2. D da 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 D da C 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, C 5, 6, D 2, 3, E 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, C 5, 6, D 2, 3, A 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, D 5, 6. Okay, let's see what it sounds like on the harp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, C. Do. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, The great news is that the chords to the third part are identical to the chords in the second part. So how about we try refreshing them, and then we'll try playing with them with our new melody. Okay, so it goes D, D, C, C, D, E, C, D, A, Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, D, C, D, E, C, D, go. Do. D, C, A, G, A, D, A, D, C, D, C, A, G, A, D, A, D, D, C, A, G, A, D, A, D, C, D, C, A, G.